In this video, I want to talk about how you can get started on Webull. Now, if you want to use Webull, you need to keep in mind that you can only open an account if you're in the US. So if you see on my profile, my account is not opened because of my region, so you need to be in the US to use it. However, I can still show you how everything works. So if you go to WebTrade here, you'll get to the charts, and from in here you'll be able to search for anything that you want, or you can just select some on the pre-selected watch list. So if I go to Apple, I'll be able to see the Apple in here. Now I cannot open a position to buy or sell because my account is not opened, but if you open it, you will be able to do it from in here. You will also be able to deposit and withdraw your money and everything like that. On the left hand side, you can see the markets, you can see top gainers, top loss, you can see everything from in here, as well as you can go to the screener, and in here you can filter by what you want to do. So if you want to do penny stocks, you can just select last price and then put it like really low, like this, and you will only see the small stocks. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now I hope this short video helped you a little bit. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.